If you have any ideas for any new videos, make sure to leave them in the comment section because I don't really know what you guys like. So if you want me to do anything, I got a cool video coming up in a few months here. I have to get a bunch of stuff ready, but it's going to be cool. I got a new microphone here. Let's go to the whole review. These yo-yos are very similar except for one has a giant bimetal rim. They're both pretty much the same yo-yo shape-wise. The bimetal rim is just a lot bigger on this one. The edge beyond is just a tad bit bigger than the regular edge. This is not the edge 1.5. I have the regular original edge. For the most part, they have the same inside design, except for one has a more smooth finish to the inside, and the other has a more rigid finish. And in this one, the bimetal rims don't go all the way through. And in this one, you can see it goes all the way to the halfway inside. Let's go to the throw test. This yo-yo can power through a lot of longer tricks. It spins for an extremely long amount of time. You can do a lot of elements with this trick without it dying. The yo-yo itself is kind of smooth, and for the most part it's quiet, except mine isn't lubed that well right now. The lube is kind of wearing off on it. I feel like they could have really made this yo-yo a lot heavier than it actually is, and I'm happy that YoyoFactory actually didn't do that. Because like with the Sasquatch, that one didn't turn out that well and I don't like it that much. This yo-yo probably would. This yo-yo is competition worthy. It's pretty good for the price it is. I feel like they could have done a little bit better, or at least lowered the price. And for finger spins, this yo-yo is pretty decent, just not for beginners. The specs will be up on screen right now. I feel like all of Evan Nagao's yo-yos are fairly similar. This one is very wide. I feel like it just has a huge gap, which is nice, so you can hit all your tricks very easily. And for me, I like heavier yo-yos, so this is one of my favorites. If you haven't already, hit the red subscribe button down below and pound a like. Let's try and get 10 likes on this video. And so yeah, if you have any ideas, throw them down in the comments for another video, and you might get a shout out. See you in the next video.